extended hairline, right?
I think this is a nicer vehicle than the 63. And I'll say a 63 if you want. This is a nicer vehicle.
Yeah.
This will hold its value better too.
Why? Because it's Porsche?
Yeah. When you think of Porsche, you think of sports cars. You think of Mercedes.
Mass
You just think of luxury. But if you're looking to ship cars to Dubai, you can ship used cars, you know, as long as they're not the Porsche dealers. They're not going to let you ship this. Like I have a Mercedes, if we sold it new, it's a year old, I can't ship it.
Mm-hmm.
But I have, you know, Mercedes that are shippable too, if we want to ship Mercedes over there. I get people from Dubai always email me about my box to ship, and I just can't ship it.
Yeah.
Used ones, yeah, but new ones I can't ship.
That's the tightest you can get?
Yeah, it's the tightest.
How do I get into like regular streets? Not so
Make it right here. At the light, you make it right.
Wow. That's a lot better than the Range Rover, right?
Of course.
This is great in the snow too.
Yeah.
Or, you know, when it rains down here like crazy.
No, but you notice that my trucks I bring to New York, so you know. Where's the mirrors in this thing? You guys had the stock exhaust still or no?
No, that's the way it came in.
Okay.
You could put it back on, but I wouldn't. I mean, it sounds great.
It's a terrible, yeah. How long you guys had this?
This car about 2 weeks.
I feel leather here much better.
Much better.
You know, the non-turbos don't give you all that leather up there. They'll give you a nice seat.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, they give you a real hard seat. The V6 and the S.
I don't want to change the wheels on this either.
If you want, we can get on here. And we're at the after like 95 here, and then go that to 595. It'll take us back to the dealership. If you want just to get on the road a little bit.
It's fucking great.
That's the best brake.
What, Porsche? So this isn't built like a this is built like a Porsche, not like a Touareg.
No, the Touaregs and Porsches are built in different factories. Like, you know, Volkswagen owns Bentley, but Bentley's not built like Volkswagen.
It's like stock. They just have shares in each other pretty much.
No, it's
They
like
just pay for,
Mercedes.
like, racing.
Mercedes owns Smart. They also own Maybach. You know, you're not going to find the same level of quality in a CL you find on Maybach. You know, Maybach's hand built. You know, but also the Maybach's $400 grand and the CL's 100, you know, something grand. So it's different. It's like Maybach versus that. You know, Volkswagen is a low-end company of theirs. They own Audi. They own Lamborghini.
Yeah.
You know, Lamborghinis are made very well.
Yeah.
But they're not going to, you know, everything pretty much made in Germany right now is built very well. When you think of a luxury car, you think of the German cars. They build, you know, the most beautiful cars.
The Italians just make them look nice, but they don't work for shit.
The Italians build a great, fast car, but they're not.
They don't work.
They're not street cars.
I don't drive them.
You can't take a Ferrari on the street.
No, I don't drive mine every day, and every time I go to get it, the battery's dead.
They're just not that kind of car. You know, belt service on a Ferrari's $10 grand. You gotta do that at, you know, 15,000 miles.
Yeah. Once a year, it's like 7 to 12,000.
I just know the car on the road.
You see? Is that a full option?
Wow, what do you have?
All bottom over there.
Like for what?
Just difference.
Yeah, European and American version are different. Sounds nice though, no? with double pane? Does it make a difference?
I'm sorry?
Does it make a difference with double pane glass?
It's quiet. You hear how quiet it is. We're going to stay in the first lane here. We're going to take that to 595 there.
Gotcha. It doesn't drive like a Mercedes though.
No, it's tighter, it's sportier. This road here is 65 and you're going to get all over, so be careful there. You do about 70, 75 over that, but you can't take that.
Do you guys have any of these, like a black or something?
This is the one we have.
Do you get them a lot?
Not 08s. You know, the older ones, yeah. 08s, very hard to get.
You like Florida, don't you? Yeah, you like Florida, don't you? Yeah, I love Florida. You're such a tourist. You'll never see me in New York, but they say you're doing that shit, man. They'll know in a second. Just don't ask me. So these things really do handle 10 times better than a Mercedes, though, no?
Well, it's a different kind of vehicle. If you drive an ML63, it's going to handle just as nice.
Yeah.
It's made in an AMG factory, it's an AMG car. It's hand built. What I'm just saying is, my money, I'd buy one of these over an ML63. It's a nicer vehicle.
Yeah.
Also, you'll hold its value better.
Why? Mercedes suck, man, I'll tell you that.
They don't suck, it's just that the problem is when
They
you
make so many.
make too many of them.
It's not, the exhaust isn't that loud either, you know?
No, it's not. It's only when you start it up it's loud. But if you in a regular one, they're very quiet.
Yeah.
If you're gonna drive this truck, you might want some exhaust.
Which exhaust is this?
It's called Tubi exhaust.
Oh, like the Ferraris.
Yeah. About $3,000 or $4,000. We're gonna go to the light, Nikki. You turn the light in the back because they're doing construction there.
That sounds really good.